What's up everyone, my name is Sal Sincata and today we are on location checking out the brand new Profoto 3-foot OCF Octa. All right, so check this out. We're on location, we're in the desert and we're waiting for that sun to go down, and I'm looking behind the camera now and I'm already seeing that sky turn a blue, purplish pink, right? It's a certain time of day when that's gonna happen. So we've got two choices on how to shoot this. We can shoot this using light and airy, but you're gonna lose the depth and the color in the sky, or we can introduce some off-camera flash. And for this, we've got the Profoto B10 Plus. You could use the B10 in this situation. The Plus is just what I use on a bright sunny day, and so that's the light I'm with all the time. But for this, I want big, soft light, and that's why I'm using the 3-foot Octa for that. Now, on the camera, we're using the Canon EOS R5 and the 7200 RF 2.8 lens. And so this is gonna give me the versatility I need so that I can zoom in, zoom out. But the reality is I need to move quickly. So that's very important because that light is not gonna last very long, where that sky is that blue, purplish pink, okay? Not only do I have to move quickly, I need soft light. This is not a situation where you need hard light. So if you're familiar with my work, sometimes I love rolling around without an actual softbox. I'll just shoot bare bulb. But for this, where you want to soften the light, this becomes really important. So let me show you something here. With the OCF Octa, right, this is perfect for traveling and portability. It comes in a small little case, and so it's perfect for your suitcase, traveling, destination locations, but you're getting kind of a big light source in a small package. But, so not only do we have one layer of diffusion here, we also have a 50-degree grid that we can put on this. And so this is super easy to do. So what you're gonna do is, it's got Velcro here and on the outside of the light. All you're gonna do is go around each corner. What this is gonna end up doing for you is just softening that light even more. So if you're a studio shooter, on location, you're not gonna use this in bright sunlight, right? Because you're gonna lose some power on the light. That's the thing you have to understand, is that when the more layers of diffusion that you add to any light source, you're softening that light, but you're also losing power. And so that's why it's important to understand what I'm doing here. This is a night shoot, sunset shoot, and so I just want this light to be softer and softer. And so it works that way by using this at this time of day. But of course, in studio where you've got controlled lighting conditions, it'll work for you as well. So we're gonna do this, we're gonna do shoot out here in the desert. We have a beautiful model, beautiful dress, beautiful landscape, and now beautiful light. So let's get to it. All right, everybody, that is a wrap. So some things to consider here. I switched lenses. I was working with my RF 7200 and 8512, just beautiful. And as that sun started setting lower and lower and it got darker and darker, right? This is where having that Profoto B10 Plus in the grid, creating that soft light for those portraits. I hope you agree when you're looking at them, that shallow depth of field, the soft light combined together with the color palette, the red dress, come on, wasn't that beautiful? All those things working together, that's how you create epic portraits. So get out there, do something epic, and we'll see you next time.